She's bad and bougie.
It's TVM, baby.
Let's say I'm back again.
Spiroch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So I know I've been gone for so long, it's so crazy, but some of you guys may know I was away. Like, I went to Nigeria for a whole month and it was fun. I'm not even gonna lie, like I really enjoyed myself, and that was my first time going back in 11 years as well. It was more of like a family visit slash holiday, because before I went to Nigeria I didn't see my mom for like a good 11 years, so it was like a good reunion with my mom and, you know, my family, so it was really good. So yeah, but anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, I actually have two lip options for you guys, so I don't know which one you prefer. If you prefer this one, leave a comment down below. If you prefer the nude one as well, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you guys prefer. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the new ABH hydrating oil. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer to prime my face. And guys, when I tell you, this has been my go-to lately, like it's just so crazy. So I'm going to use this to prime my face. I'm just going to apply this to the places where I know I get oily. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some concealer under my eye just to get rid of my dark circles. I'm going to be using the NYX HD concealer in the shade Deep Golden. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the HUDA Beauty Foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm going to be mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 364. The reason why I'm mixing both of them together is because I've got darker. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my face using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. This is like, it's just my normal routine, but obviously because I haven't recorded in a while, I'm going to show you guys how I've been doing my makeup. And I'm going to try something different today, because I'm always seeing people using a brush instead of a beauty blender to blend out their concealer. So I'm going to try it today and see how it turns out. Obviously, because I've gained weight, so I'm just going to reverse contour my cheekbones, because mate, my face right now is looking so round. So I'm literally just using what I have left on the brush. I'm not adding any more products. And now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush just to blend out the edges. So now, just to brighten up my under eye a bit more, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. This is really bright for me, which is why I only use it like right under my eye, and literally the smallest amount goes a long way because it's so thick and really full coverage as well. So now I'm going to use my Mercier translucent powder to set my under eye. I need to get a new one because this one is finished as well, so I literally have to pat it as much as I can to get some powder out of this. So now I'm just going to use my beauty blender to set my under eye. I'm going to clean my eyebrows using the same Elegant Pro Concealer that I used to highlight my face. So now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade NW50. And I'm just literally going in circular motions and making sure that, you know, there's no harsh line between my highlight and the reverse contour basically. So now I'm going to contour my face using the sleek eyeshadow called No Limits, and this has literally been my go-to contour powder since I've been using it. Like, also when you're contouring your face, you kind of want to like contour your face upwards, because that's what's going to leave. To add some colour back to my face, I'm going to be using the ABH Blush Trio, and I'll be using this dark berry shade right here. If you don't know where to place your blusher, all you need to do is just smile and place it on the apple of your cheeks basically. So, and now moving on to my eyes, to prime my eyelid, I'm going to be using the ABH eyeshadow base, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and just dip that in there and then apply some onto my lid. And the reason why I'm using this is because it's going to help to make the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply stand out a lot. Okay, so this isn't really working, so I think I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to use my hand instead. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, and this was actually given to me by a friend, and she said she got this palette from AliExpress. It's actually so crazy because the pigment in this eyeshadow palette is so crazy, and it kind of reminds me of the HUDA Beauty eyeshadow palette as well. So the first shade I'm going to be using from this palette is called Saffron. So it's like a dark, I don't know, it's like a burnt brown. The next shade I'm going to use is this berry shade right here. It's called Nefertiti. So I'm just going to dip this brush in there and apply this to my crease. So the lashes I'll be using today are from a brand called Glamify Beauty. I don't know the name of the lashes that I'll be wearing today because the style is not written on the box. So now I'm going to dust off the rest of the powder on my face because I don't need it anymore. To finish off my eye makeup, I'm going to line my waterline using the Elegel Pro Primer in black. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take Turkish Delight and Nefertiti, the two shades that I used on my lid and in my crease. I'm going to apply both shades on my waterline. Okay, so for the nude lip, I'm going to be using ABH lipstick in the shade Rust, and I'm just going to use this to outline my lips. So I'm going to now apply ABH lip gloss in the shade Undressed.
But she say she's bad and bougie.
So now, just to finish that off, I'm going to apply some clear lip gloss on top of this. This looks so nice. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my face before I move on to changing my lip colour. So I'm going to highlight my face using my ABH Glow Kit. Mine is broken and shattered, so like I have to be so careful with this. But the first shade I'll be going in with is called Bronze. The next highlighter I'll be using is the Ambresi highlighter by ABH also, and I'm just going to apply a small amount of this. I really like this highlighter. To blend that in, I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used for my blusher and just, you know, blend both together. And that's my makeup done with this lip colour, but now I'm going to change it to the other colour so you guys can see which one you prefer. So the next lip option I'm going to go for is the ABH liquid lipstick in Trust Issues. I'm going to mix these two colours together. I'm going to make sure I leave the names of both lipsticks on the screen.
I promise you fall for me. But she say she's bad.
Okay, so this is the second lip option, but I personally think I prefer the nude lip like you guys already know how I am. I just prefer nude lip compared to like any other colored lip. But yeah, you guys tell me which one you prefer. Do you prefer this one or the first lip option? So yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.